Simply getting comfortable right where we are, taking a deep inhale, raising the crown of the head high, and on the exhale, letting the shoulders lower and the body simply relax completely into this moment. There is no place to go, no thing to do. We simply arrive with each breath in each moment, right here and right now. We allow ourselves this time in the silence, this time in stillness, just to step apart from a while, to step apart from the world around us and dive within to that space and that place that is sometime neglected as we go through our day-to-day life. So we dive deeply within, letting our whole being know, I am here. I am listening. We are one. Simply allowing this moment to breathe you into existence. Noticing the full support of the very breath itself. Noticing how much life is happening in the silence. That there is no thing we need to do to make the heart beat or to make the breath go to every tendon, muscle, tissue. We simply release any tension. And we breathe into our soul's intention. To arrive in each moment aware and at peace. So right where we are, we lengthen and deepen the inhales and exhales as we relax into the stillness of the silence. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love. May all beings know themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that they are born blessed. In honor of the lives that we've been given in the time and the form, we give this life. Namaste.
Come here, my daughter. Come here, my son. Let me put my hands upon your face and tell you of my love. You were never broken. You were never broken to me. I wouldn't change a thing. I know all those words that they told you hurt. But I am the voice of God to tell you what you're worth. You were never broken. You were never broken to me. I wouldn't change a thing. You were never broken. Oh, you were never broken to me. I wouldn't change a thing. So let them all pass by. Let them swallow their ignorance and leave them all behind. 'Cause they don't know what I know. They can't see what I see. That you were never broken. To me. You were never broken. Oh, you were never broken to me. I wouldn't change a thing. Never broken. Oh, you were never broken to never broken. Oh, you were never broken. Oh, you were never broken to me. I wouldn't change a thing.